Over the course of my 34 years in this business, I've walked through a lot of houses. It's very rare that I step into an environment and I stop. You come through the hallway into the living room and the entire environment opens up. On the left flank, you see these beautiful walls of glass, and out beyond it, the lush landscape and this beautiful fire element and a water element. And then your eye comes to this exquisite pass-through fire feature, which just really punctuates the space. And this is quintessential poster beam. This is the ability to really allow for natural light, but also to allow for beautiful art walls. This becomes a canvas. You've got this beautiful music moment with the baby grand piano and the seating areas around it. But what really is the dynamic form and function of this house is the openness of it. In Southern California, we want to take full advantage of light and air and the climate that is so much a part of where we live. You allow in that natural environment to hear the sound of chirping birds, to hear the breeze coming through the eucalyptus trees. It's just a compelling and magical environment. The sight lines, as my eye travels from left to right, it's stimulated at every turn. And then I suddenly see the dining room and I see how that space lays out. And I look to the fact that they put a pool table in there. It's just a brilliant use of that space. I imagine having a massive party here, right? And everybody's flowing from indoor, outdoor into the different environments. But then they settle at the kitchen. And the way this house just lends itself to that, the ability for people to congregate. It almost challenges you to say, throw a beautiful event here. Throw a big party here. Open the space up, because that's what home is all about. One of the really compelling elements of this house is when you arrive at the primary bedroom with ceiling heights. I haven't measured them, but they're probably 18 feet tall. Drop shades that come out of the ceiling. You never know they're there until they emerge from the valance above. You have walls of glass, and then beyond these walls of glass, you're looking out to this exquisite lap swimmer's pool, and then the lush foliage behind it. You've got this beautiful environment from which to wake up. That's how I evaluate a master. Would I love opening my eyes in the morning and going, oh my gosh, life's good. And the primary bathroom with the soaking tub and the massive steam shower and just the natural light that comes into the space. You don't need to turn on a light in the room. And that to me is a sign of good architecture. Really every detail has been well thought out. And the person that this house resonates with, they're gonna say, I gotta have this house.